To replace the lower wash arm support in your dishwasher, fully remove the lower dish rack and pull the wash arm assembly straight up to remove. Rotate the coarse filter and wash arm support counterclockwise to detach from the sump. Slide out the old support. Install the new wash arm support by aligning it with the filter. Position the assembly in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Align the wash arm assembly on the new support, then snap it into place. Confirm the arm spins freely, then replace the lower dish rack.